Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece that blends professional photography power with rugged reliability, the OM system Olympus OM-1 Mark II paired with the M.Zuiko digital ED 12-40mm F2.8 PRO II Lens. This camera is the evolution of legendary Olympus engineering, made for creators who demand speed, precision, and freedom to shoot anywhere. Right off the bat, the OM-1 Mark II takes image quality and performance to a new level with its 20.4MP stacked BSI Live MOS sensor, paired with the TruePic X image processor. Together, they deliver incredible dynamic range, reduced noise, and breathtaking color accuracy. You can shoot at up to 120 frames per second in RAW, capturing every decisive moment with stunning detail, whether it's wildlife, sports, or cinematic content creation. One of the biggest upgrades is the AI-powered subject detection autofocus, now smarter and faster than ever. It effortlessly locks onto humans, animals, birds, cars, planes, and trains, all in real time. Combined with its 1053 cross-type phase detection points, focusing feels instant and remarkably accurate, even in challenging lighting. The M.Zuiko digital ED 12-40mm F2.8 PRO II Lens completes the magic. It's sharp, bright, and versatile, covering wide-angle to short telephoto with a constant f2.8 aperture for low light excellence and beautiful depth of field. The lens coatings minimize flare and ghosting, ensuring crisp results even in harsh conditions. Now let's talk about durability, a signature OM advantage. The OM-1 Mark II is IP53 weather-sealed, meaning it's resistant to dust, splash, and freezing temperatures down to -10 degrees Celsius. This is a camera that goes anywhere, rainforest humidity, mountain snow, or coastal wind, and just keeps shooting. It also features 7.5 stop in-body image stabilization, perfect for handheld photography and smooth, cinematic 4K 60p video recording. Combined with its compact micro 4/3 form factor, you get portability without sacrificing power. The electronic viewfinder now delivers 5.76 million dot resolution, offering a lifelike preview of your shot before you even press the shutter. Dual UHS-II SD card slots ensure fast, reliable storage during long shoots. Whether you're a pro capturing wildlife, a filmmaker needing mobility, or a traveler chasing perfect moments, the OM-1 Mark II Pro kit is built to exceed expectations. If you're ready to elevate your creativity, check out the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert tech and camera reviews, only on Gadgetverse.